The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cheyenne County in northwestern Kansas, Dundy County in southwestern Nebraska until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time or 6:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northeast of Wray to 6 miles northeast of Haigler to 10 miles north of St. Francis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benkelman. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Cheyenne, Kansas, and Dundy, Nebraska. The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Thomas County in northwestern Kansas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Levant, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near KLOE around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 52 and 65. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Thomas, Kansas,